Ask Tom on Home Show.
Terry from Conroe has a question about a shower renovation.
Yeah, the step to his shower is too high, Tom. Let me explain what Terry's saying. He writes that it's 8 inches from the floor to the top.
Wow.
Due to my increasing handicap, I cannot step over, and it's 4 inches from the shower to the floor of the shower, which I feel like I can manage that. I'd like to know if I can take that 8-inch height down, even with the floor. And I'd also need safety bars and get the shower heads replaced and all that stuff to be repositioned, maybe up on a pole or something like that. And I guess he's looking for your advice, Tom. Can that be done? Who should he call?
It can be done. I don't think it's as easy as just cutting it out the curb and putting some bars in. Maybe it is. I would call Trifection. You probably want to redo the shower because it's going to need new glass doors that scrape the floor, keep the water in. You might have to relocate your shower valve as opposed to the shower head so you don't get splashed on trying to reach it. Make it really comfortable for yourself. So I would call Trifection. They did the same thing in my house. I hate to talk about my house all the time, but I relate to it. I had bars put in. We got rid of the curb. They put the valves in the shower heads in areas where it's very simple for me to get to. The glass doors keep it all nice and clean, and there's no curb to step over. So it's a little more work than you probably think. It's not as easy as you think it would be, but at the same time, it's important, it's worth it, and they're a great company that can do that for you.
Yeah, and I will tell you that they specialize in doing that conversion for elderly and handicapped or differently able access in a bathroom. They did that at my in-laws' house, and they put some bars in there for them. And I'm here to tell you, Tom, you could lift the house with those bars the way they put them in. There's a lot
has to be put in right.
There's a lot more to this in keeping it standard and making it safe, right?
Yeah, and you can we did it with all the showers, and my wife was, I don't want those things like a hospital in there. They have designer bars now. They just match everything. She loves it. And you know what? I don't care if I was 30 years old instead of 63 like I am right now. I want bars and places to grab so I can wash my feet. I think they're great to have, and people put this terrible kind of stigma on having them. It's not. It's really safe for you to have those things.
So it's good to have a bar in the bathroom. Hey, you got a question? Click on the Ask Tom button. Yeah. Send us your question. Send us a video. You can send it in writing. Either way, when you get to this form, go ahead and make sure you attach pictures because it helps us do a better job. We post a new one of these every day. You'll find them on our Facebook page, our YouTube channel where there are hundreds of videos, and of course at HomeShowRadio.com.